Ever wondered why some AI systems learn faster or recognize images better than others? What if the secret to smarter machines lies in the structure of their connections, like the hidden architecture of a brain? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's reshaping how we think about neural networks. Neural networks are the engines behind AI, mimicking the way our brains process information. But here's the twist. Their performance isn't just about how many layers they have or how much data they're fed. It's about how they're connected. Think of it like a city's road system. Same number of roads, but different layouts can make traffic flow smoothly or grind to a halt. This research team asked a bold question. How do the shapes of neural networks, like clusters of tightly connected nodes or random webs, affect their ability to learn? They didn't just look at simple models. They studied real-world network patterns, like the way social groups form communities, or how the internet has hubs with superconnected nodes. They compared three key network types. 1. Random networks, like a chaotic crowd where everyone connects randomly. 2. Scale-free networks like the internet, where a few nodes are superconnected. 3. Community-based networks, think of friends in a school, tight clusters with some links between groups. Here's what they found. Networks with coherent communities, where nodes are densely linked within groups and loosely connected between groups, learned faster and more accurately. It's like a classroom where students collaborate closely in groups, but still share ideas across the room. But why does this matter? Well, the team also compared these structures to biological neural networks, like the human brain. They discovered striking similarities. Just as our brains have specialized regions working together, these artificial networks thrived when they mirrored that organized, community-driven design. This isn't just theoretical. By designing AI systems that mimic real-world network structures, we could create smarter, more efficient models. Imagine image recognition systems that learn from context, like how we recognize a cat not just by its ears, but by how it interacts with its environment. The study even looked at the brain of a tiny worm, C. elegans, which has a well-mapped neural network. Surprisingly, its structure closely resembled the high-performing community-based models. It's like nature's blueprint for efficient information flow, proving that sometimes the best solutions are already out there, waiting to be discovered. So next time you see a neural network diagram, think, what if its structure is the key to its success? Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind AI.